Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explaining how to combine text from multiple cells into single cell in Excel. Method 1. Firstly, select the cell where you want to put the join text. Secondly, type equals symbol and select the first cell you want to join. Thirdly, type ampersand symbol followed quotation marks with a space. Type ampersand again. And then select next cell you want to join. Repeat from ampersand symbol followed by quotation marks with a space, and then select next cell you want to join as many as you want. Finally, press Enter key. If you want to carry on and merge the rest of the names on the list, simply set the pointer of your mouse to the cell containing the function, and drag the bottom right-hand corner of the cell to populate the rest of the rows with the same formula. If you need to change data, you'll need to go to the source cell first and rewrite the information there. Second method. We have a short data table with header name salutation, first name and last name, which will have a full name merged in one cell. Let's see how to do it. First, choose the desired cell where the merged full name. Click on the selected cell. We'll click on the cell E2 here. Then click up here on the FX tab, which serves to insert a function. A pop-up window will open. Choose the category, All, and find the function concatenate and confirm with OK. The function, concatenate, can merge up to 255 different items into a single cell. Excel will offer only two fields, Text 1 and Text 2. Here you can enter the data you need to combine. Don't worry, when you start entering the data, the next text box will appear automatically. Altogether, Excel will allow you to combine up to 255 different items. We want the merged full name to appear as the salutation, first name, and last name with space between fields. The salutation will go to the first field, Text 1. Click on the cell which contains the salutation, in this case cell A2. Now, since we need a single space between the salutation and first name, we'll enter the space in the field, Text 2, simply by clicking into the box and pressing the spacebar. When we click into the field, Text 3, Excel will encode the single space into the form that's necessary. You can see the space enclosed in double quotation marks. The same way would work for a hyphen, semicolon, or any other character. We'll leave the single space in field 2 and move on. Click into the box, Text 3, and enter the second part by selecting cell B2 that contains the first name. We'll enter the space in the field, Text 4. Last name will go to the fifth field, Text 5. Click on the cell which contains the last name, in this case cell C2. If you look at the section just below the text fields, you can see the text being combined and check its final form. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on OK. We've combined the names from the list without manual rewriting or copying and pasting. That way, you'll concatenate all the names on the list like this. And just before conclude, there's one more thing to remember. If you need to change the information on the list, you'll have to do it in the source cells the formula refers to. Click on any cell with the combined names, and you'll see that this target cell does not contain the text itself. In this case the full name, but rather the function and reference to other cells in the table. You'll need to go to the source cell first and rewrite the information there. I hope friends you find this video helpful information. Thanks for watching this video.